Hello all and welcome back. The last couple of days we have talked about the OTQ method, which is observe, think, and question. So this is going to be your assignment for today. So first you're going to put your name and your class period, and then I'm going to have you view this painting below. And we're going to be doing a lot with this painting this week, so make sure you are looking very closely at it, okay? So I want you to look very in depth with this painting. Once you do that, you will go down here, and I want you to write your observe. So this is the O part of the OTQ. I want you to list at least, so if you want to do more, that would be fantastic, 10 things that you noticed about this painting. These are going to be things that you physically see. It's going to be things that are just like totally obvious. So, I mean, like the red balloons, right? So that should be on everyone's list. So add that to your list, but then come up with 10 other things there. But it's just going to be things that you literally see. So what does the girl look like? What do the buildings look like? What's in the sky? What's on the ground? And things like that, okay? So things that you physically see. And then I want you to think and pick 5 items off your list and write what you think that they might each signify or represent. So this is when you're going to dig a little deeper and you're going to ask, okay, well, why do I think the balloons are red? Okay? And then finally, you're going to come down to this question down here, and I want you to come up with 3 questions that you have about this painting. These cannot be yes or no questions, okay? They have to be open-ended questions because we're going to use these questions that everyone comes up with to make a assignment for an online discussion that we will be doing later this week, okay? And then finally, once you're done with these, there will be another part to it that will tell you what this painting is based off of. But I don't want you to know that until you do this assignment. So we will take a look at that at the end. So that's what I want you to do for this assignment. And if you have any questions, just feel free to email me at krista.watkins@carrollcountyschools.com.